What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today's a special one because I bought a car with no keys, so I don't know if it runs and drives, and I did that by accident. I placed a pre-bid on a car a few days ago, and we went out boating. It was on a Sunday, and on my way home at around 9 o'clock, I was talking to my wife and I was telling her that I placed a bid on a car, but I have no idea what kind of car it is. So I told her that if I didn't win this car, I won't know what kind of car I placed a bid on, how much I placed a bid on it. Like, I have no idea. I don't remember. I just placed a bid and kind of left it at that. So I checked and I ended up winning it. It's a theft recovery 2007 Mitsubishi Eclipse. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, but it's a orange car with no visible damage. The thing is, it has no keys. So I actually have an appointment scheduled at 2:30, which gives me about an hour and a half to get this car loaded, and then I have, I don't know, a 40-minute drive to the dealership, and for $270 they are going to make a key for me, and we're gonna see if this was a good buy or not. Very good sign that there are no trailers. It looks like those are tow companies dropping off wrecked vehicles, but what do I know? Maybe they changed it. I don't remember the last time I bought a car here. I don't really see it in the parking lot, but let's go get our paperwork and get this thing pulled out. Guys, you won't believe this. I did not see this, but this car is a clean title. And you know how much I paid for it? $613 for a clean title Eclipse. My brother last year sold with much higher mileage, same year Eclipse, for $2,700. So with the new key, I'll be under $1,000 if it has no mechanical issues. I will easily sell it for 2.5. Easy money. This is fantastic news. Whole bunch of airplanes taking off because we are close to the Portland airport. But there she is. Yeah, clearly not in the best shape. But clean title. Don't even remember what the mileage is, but it's pretty darn low. Don't really see any rips or tears in the interior. Show you guys a little bit better once we get a key for and whatnot. What I want to do right now is actually pop the hood open, check the oil level. Where's our hood? There it is. It's already been popped. Just so that once we get to the dealership, they can do their thing. All right, dipstick. Yes, we have oil. So that's a good sign. Battery seems pretty darn old. Well, 3 years. Maybe it'll be good. Clean it up a little bit. But we'll see. Let's head out to the dealership. So I will actually get there early, as according to this, with minor traffic, I am 34 minutes away, 17 miles. made it. Now let's go find who we need to talk to get this thing started. So what do we got? $259 down the road, and we got a key for it. But the battery is so toasted they couldn't get this thing programmed. And now my challenge will be getting the heck out of here. So I left the dealership. I have, I don't know, maybe 40-minute drive home depending on traffic. They basically told me that they got to program the car cranks. They didn't try to really start it. The battery is toast, what they said, and they couldn't program the unlock and lock on the key fob because they said the battery has to be at a certain percentage for the computer to read it long enough, and they can't use a jump box for that operation. They tried, it didn't work, so they basically said get a new battery, come back, and then they'll take care of the rest. So that's kind of gonna be the plan, so I could sell it quickly. But right now heading home, and then we'll see if I could actually get this thing started and hear it run, and we'll kind of go from there. In a few seconds I will be home. The drive back actually wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but we are going to find out if this thing starts very, very, very shortly. It starts yelling. So, I had a theory that the car was stolen. They drove it until it ran out of gas, and then they ditched the car because it was a theft recovery. It has no gas in it. Probably 2 gallons of gas is what I'm putting in it. And it runs. Can you say deals? Because I can say deals. I see some smoke. Wow, those O2 sensors are super easy to come or get to in this car. That is awesome. I know I saw a little bit of smoke. I don't see it anymore. But let's take a look. What's up?
Spare. Just a spare.
Oh, can you lift that up again? Get that out of the way. Some car seats. Okay, let's get this thing off the trailer.
Busy. Stop, stop. You're good. You're good.
Front bumper. It has been busy day, another busy day, but I am glad that this was a good purchase for me. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for sticking around, and I will see you guys in another video.